Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Whirlpool washer F21 error code in 2026. So before checking any internal parts, you need to start with a simple reset. So in order to reset it, first of all, you just have to press the cancel and the pause button twice to stop the washer. After that, unplug it and then wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the control board to clear the temporary software glitches. After doing so, simply plug the washer back in and then you just have to run a drain or spin cycle. Now, if the washer drains normally and the error disappears, you have confirmed that the issue was likely a temporary electronic fault. Now, if the code returns, the problem is likely relating to drainage hardware. So the next thing that you need to do here is to simply pull the washer slightly away from the wall and inspect the drain hose carefully. You need to simply look for kinks, sharp bends, or lint buildups. Even partial blockages can dramatically slow drainage speed. Also ensure that the drain hose height is properly positioned. If it is too high, the pump may struggle to remove water efficiency. So you need to straighten or clean the hose as needed. If drainage improves afterward, it means that the even error was caused by restricted hose flow. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists in your case, then you just have to simply clean the drain pump filter thoroughly. And I would say like this is the most common even solution that you can have. So you need to simply unplug the washer and locate the lower front access panel. Now place the towels or a shallow tray underneath because trapped water will likely spill out. Now you need to slowly unscrew the pump filter cap and remove it. You can also check for the debris such as coins or hairpins, lint, socks, small clothing items. Clean the filter completely before reinstalling it securely. After doing so, you just have to run another drain cycle. And if the washer now drains properly, it means that the clog inside the drain filter was the root cause. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.